are going to be talking beauty products today. We're going to talk about some machines, or well, some aids for your skin, and it is from DēpLux. And DēpLux asked me, this is what they are called, asked me to try out some of their devices that you can use for your skin, and of course I want to try that. I'm getting older, my skin is saggy. The only thing I feel at the moment is that to give you an honest review, I need to try these on for a few weeks. So I'm going to do a test now. I'm just going to try them on, see how they work and whatever. And then I'm going to come back in a few weeks time and see if there is any difference, because I'm going to be using these and I'm going to see if there is any change. Okay? So I'm going to take some pictures before so that we have them now, and then in a few weeks when I've done it, I'm going to take an after picture and we're going to see if there's a difference. But anyway, we're going to start with the products, and we've got two of them here, and also a cream. So I'm going to talk about this. This first one is a, let's see what it's called then. Problem is, the older you get, the harder it is to read things. So this is a really pretty box, and it comes with this little device, and this is for the neck. I'm going to read and see what it is so I don't say the wrong thing. It's an LED neck and body lifting device, so you can use this on more areas, not just your neck area, and it got lots of different settings. So depending on how you press the button here, you're going to get different settings. There you go. You hold it in first to start it, and then you can change it. I don't know if you can see actually, but the colour is changing there to different things when you press the button. And then you hold it in to turn it off. I'm going to read up a little bit about what it says. I've got a little folder here for you and for me, so I can understand what it is. It's got a blue light that promotes the synthesis of collagen, tightens saggy skin, shrink pore size, great for people with oily and sensitive skin. Then we have the red light, and that accelerates blood circulation, promotes the growth of fibroblast and collagen, smooth fine lines and wrinkles, and fade hyperpigmentation and scars. Purple light improves cellular oxygenation and regeneration. This is hard for a non-English person to say. I'm doing my best here. Enhance skin fitness and vitality, and calm and balanced skin. And then there is something called EMS, electrical muscle stimulation, and that stimulates the ATP production, improves the elasticity of facial muscle, promotes collagen production, lifts and tightens saggy skin, smooths fine lines and wrinkles. So I was actually thinking that I was going to try this last one because, you know, why not? But I do have a really big chin, as you can see, so it's a little bit different, a little bit hard maybe to use this thing, but I'm going to try and I'm going to show you. Okay, and it doesn't do anything, it doesn't vibrate when you hold it like this. It starts, I don't know if you can hear it, when you put it towards the skin. Before we do this, there's something else we should do. You should use a cream, either one of your own facial creams or something, or this one from DēpLux. This is an anti-aging gel, and this helps with the device to kind of get in there a little bit. It's a conductor of sort. So you take a little bit of this, put it on the area that you're using, and it's like a see-through, very, yeah. Put that on the area that you're gonna be using the machine, and you make sure before you do this that you have washed and cleaned your skin so that everything is done properly. Then you take a little device again, turn it on and put it onto the one you want to use. I want this one. So here we go. When you're finished, they say that you should use this 5 to 10 minutes. When you're finished, you just take a towel or something, a damp towel, and wipe this off to get any excess off. The thing is, they are not waterproof, so don't put them under the tap and rinse them off. Get a damp cloth or something and just dry them off. And then you can put them away again. So that was the one for the neck, but there was another one as well, and that was this one, and it looks a bit funny. And this is for the face. The other one is more for the neck and body. You can probably use it on your arms or whatever you want to kind of tighten the skin and get it a little bit better. This, however, is for the face. And this one came with some instructions as well, but the text is so tiny that I can't read it. I'm getting old and I can't see what it says. So I know that you need to put the gel on again on your face to be like a conductor, and then you press this and you can, I don't know if you can see that there are different lights coming on there. So there's like different strength. 1, 2, 3. There's 4 different ones on there. So we're going to try that. And what does it say? Before you use them, you charge them, of course, and there are little chargers in here as well. USB plugs that you can just plug in and charge them, and that's the same for both of them. This one they recommend you use 5 minutes on each side of your face, and I'm going to put some cream on first before I use it, and it's the same cream as I used before. You put that on. They also said that you can, this cream, you don't have to wipe it off if there is any excess or anything, because you can just let it go into your skin. It does have a bit of a strong, it's almost like a little, I don't know, alcohol smell to it. Very different. It's not scented in any way. It's just yeah, don't know what to say, but still. There we go. Let's put this on the second one and see what happens. Aha. So I want to make a little clip with a closer look as to, hopefully you can see how the muscles are working when you use this. So I'm going to use it, and if I kind of react, it's because I can feel it to start with. So I don't know if you can see. I can feel it up here. It's really working with your muscles. Do the other side and see. So this is really stimulating the muscles and everything in your skin. Now I had this on 2, setting 2, and I can feel it, and I can actually feel it all the way into my teeth. It's weird, but I can feel it working, and that's quite good actually, because I like that when you use things that you can actually feel it working. It's not just like a pretend thing going up and down. Because obviously it's a microcurrent, you need to have both of these touching your skin, or there's not going to be anything in between. So make sure you don't just go on one like this, because that's not going to do anything. You need both on there to get the current going in between them. So that was a little closer look. Hopefully you could see the muscles in my face working a little bit. That was a very, very different feeling. This is called a microcurrent system, and you can feel that there's like little electricity. It feels really nice actually. I feel a little bit more, I don't know if it spooked my muscles in here or what it did. But it feels nice. You can feel it working. You need to push it a little bit so that you can actually feel the current in there. It's like a little shock almost that goes in there. And make sure you move it a little bit as well. Don't keep it still on one point, but make sure you kind of move it with your face. And also, of course, make sure you can feel it, because if you drag just like this, you're not going to feel anything. So this is going to be interesting. Once again, not waterproof. Wipe it off so it's clean for next time, and put it back in the little box. And the cream then as well. You make sure you use something like this as a conductor your skin when you do these things. And I am going to come back to you and show you after using this for a few weeks if there is any difference. Really easy to use. Plug it in, charge it. I mean, use it when you start watching TV or anything, and you're just gonna forget it. It doesn't have to be a big massive thing that, oh well, I need to do this just before I go to bed, or I need to do this or that or whatever. Use this, they say, maybe twice a day, and 5 to 10 minutes. And use it for a few weeks, and you are surely going to see some results. Hopefully a little bit more tight, a little bit more, I don't know, not as many wrinkles. You can choose what you want it for, but that's what I want. I'm getting saggy skin, and I'm getting this chin here I don't like. I'm going to do something about that. Anyway, I really like this, and I'm looking forward to using it. So thank you so much to DēpLux for asking me to try this. And I am going to give you the links down below, of course. This might be a little bit pricier than some of the things I have used before, but I can understand why. It's technology, and technology costs money. That's the way it is. So go and have a look down below for the links and everything. Remember to subscribe, of course, to me, and leave a little comment. Have you tried this out before, or is this something new to you as well? This is just completely new to me, but I am really looking forward to using it. So let me know what you think. Take care everyone, and I will see you again for my next video. not too far away, I hope. Bye now.